Thevenin's theorem, electric circuits and electron devices, basics in electronic science, physics and engineering. Exams for JEE, IES, ESE, CSIR, UGC, NET.
Hi,
By
now
Soumya
let's see the
Oski.
topic is Thevenin's theorem. Any linear, bilateral, active and passive network consisting of voltage source, current source, resistors are reduced to simple network. The simple network consisting voltage source in series with resistors is called as Thevenin's theorem. For example, the R Thevenin is said to be resistance, Thevenin resistance, otherwise looking back resistance, and D Thevenin is said to be voltage, Thevenin voltage, otherwise open circuited voltage. Let's see the complex network to simple network. The simple network consists consider voltage Thevenin voltage, resistance, Thevenin resistance, and load terminal like as R L. Okay, following steps are included in this Thevenin's theorem. The following steps are open circuited load terminal like as RL. The second one is open circuited load terminal RL, short circuit voltage source, draw equivalent circuit. The fourth one is load current and power at load. The final is open source and open circuit and short circuit. Okay, let's see the first step. To find Thevenin voltage. So V Thevenin is used for voltage divider rule. For considering this network, R1, R2, R1 is parallel to R2, R1, R2 are parallel. R1, R3 are connected in a series in a network. R2 and RL are parallel in a network. So, V Thevenin is equal to voltage across R2 plus voltage across R3. Here R3 is 0. So, voltage V Thevenin is equal to voltage across R2. So, voltage across R2. Here we using a voltage divider rule. So, voltage across resistance is defined as the product of same resistance into the supply voltage divided by total resistance. So, V Thevenin is equal to V R2 divided by R1 plus R2. So, the next step is to find Thevenin resistance. Here, open circuit load terminal RL and short circuit voltage source V is also applied here. Here, R1 is parallel to R2 and R3 is R1, R2, R3 is series in a network. So, R Thevenin is equal to R1 parallel R2 plus R3. So, the next step, R Thevenin is equal to R1 R2 divided the product of resistance 1 and resistance 2 divided by R1 plus total resistance R1 plus R2 plus R3. So, R Thevenin is equal to R1 R2 divided by R1 plus R2 plus R3. The third step is draw equivalent circuit. This equivalent circuit we replace with the voltage source. So, voltage source is replaced to the voltage Thevenin voltage and R Thevenin, which is R1 R2 divided by R1 plus R2 plus R3. So, R1 and R3 is connected in a series and R1 is parallel to R2. So, R1 is parallel to R2, R3 is R1, R3 is connected in a series, R1 is parallel to R2. So, this loop is replaced to R Thevenin. So, V Thevenin, R Thevenin and R L. So, load terminal, load resistors are L. So, V Thevenin is equal to VR2 divided by R1 plus R2 and R Thevenin is equal to R1 R2 divided by R1 plus R2 plus R3. This is R Thevenin. The last one is to find load current and power at load. Load current IL is equal to V Thevenin divided by R Thevenin plus RL. That is V Thevenin divided by total resistance V Thevenin divided by sum of RThevenin plus RL. The second one is power at load. So that is PL is equal to I squared L into RL. The product of square of load current into the load resistance. So PL is equal to I squared L into RL. So open circuit. This the current flow. The current throw is 0 irrespective of voltage source, voltage across the network. That means open circuit, that means the current is 0 irrespective of voltage across the network. The resistance value is infinite. So open circuit, the resistance value is infinite. The another one is short circuit. Voltage across is 0 irrespective of current flow through edge. The resistance value is 0. Open circuit, resistance value is infinite. Short circuit, resistance value is 0. You never miss a video, subscribe my YouTube channel Soumya Vaske, and just leave another video. Signing off, Soumya, and bye. Thanks for watching, and never forget to press the notification bell. If it is useful, like this video, which is helpful for whom, share to them. Thank you.